Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned.
DIY number 1, and we're gonna make a box, and this is a cigar box, but it has this indentations. Those letters are like indented, so I'm gonna cover them using spackling. I'm gonna cover them completely like this. When I make sure that all of them are covered, I'm gonna come back, well, after it's dried, and I'm gonna come back and sand them. Now that they are dried, I'm going to come back with this sanding block that I made because I couldn't find a sanding block. And I sanded them. Then I'm going to take black paint from apple barrel and I'm going to cover them completely all sides. And you will see that I painted the inside, but I will show you how I did it. So I'm going to go all around it. If you cannot find a cigar box on your local thrift store, Walmart has some of those boxes that are really cute and you can work with them. This decal I made on my Cricut and I'm going to add it on the top part like that. And you will find the link to that one in my description box down below. After I do that, as you can see, I painted the inside over here and I'm going to add another decal. And this one you will also find it in the description box down below. I'm going to apply this one over here. And this one is the Sanderson Sisters Apothecary. Yeah, I'm the fourth Sanderson sister. And I'm going to apply it like that. Then I'm going to remove the backing or the tape, the transfer tape. And after I do that, I'm going to make sure that my letters are where they should be. So let me just place this one where it goes. And after that, and I make sure that everything is okay, I'm going to add this over here and that's it. And look at that. He's so beautiful. Or she. It's a box. It's a she. She's so beautiful. But this one goes with DIY number 2. So you will see what goes inside a little bit later. And here you can see the top part. Now for Craspire unboxing, and here you can see that they sent me these goodies. You will find all the links in the description box and I will explain you that in a little bit. But now let's check this out. And look at that. Look at this beautiful box that you can see. It looks like a book. So guess what we will be making? Let me know what you think we will be making with this ones in the comments below. And look at that. So beautiful. Okay. Let's move on. Now we have this beautiful washi tape. Here you can see it. Now let me just open it so you can see all of them. And this is a travel washi tape because of which travels. So I will be using all of this to make beautiful witchy decor. Now let me show you all of them. And look at that. They are so beautiful. I just love them. And yes, we're going to make witchy decor because Hocus Pocus is coming this month at the end of the month. So here you can see them. And then I'm going to take these beautiful flowers. And you will see those stickers. They are so beautiful. Look at that. This ones. And they have jars on the back. And look at those beautiful flowers. And here you can see the jars. And now we have purple flowers. Now let me look at this ones, and we have greenery on this ones. And this one we have beautiful yellow flowers and blue flowers. I cannot wait to get my hands on those and start crafting. Here you can see the packing list with all the items that I received from them. Now, moving on to the best part, we have this beautiful paper. This is scrapbook paper, and as you can see, it's so beautiful. And in the description box, as I told you, you will find the links to all of these. Also, you will find a coupon code of $5 off your $40 order. Go and check them out. I know you're gonna love them. I have worked with them a couple of times, and they have beautiful things over there. So go and check them out. DIY number 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this beautiful bottle that I got on a thrift store for $1. And I'm going to take matte spray paint. And I'm going to spray paint it completely on the outside only. not the inside, just the outside. And as you can see, here we have it, and it is looking so beautiful. Now I have this neon paint from Decor, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some of that on the inside, and as you can see, I'm just going all around it with it so I can get my potion, and we're making the life potion. And as you know, it is green, so this color is just perfect. Now let me just go all around it like this. You have to be a little bit patient on this because we don't want to cover everything. So now you can see it. Now I'm going to let it dry, and after it's dry, I'm going to put the lid on it. And here it is dried, and it is looking super cute. A perfect life potion. And look at that. It is a perfect life potion. You will be younger in the morning. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. And here you can see DIY number 1 and DIY number 2 together, and they go so well together.
If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media, so you can go and check me out over there so we can be friends and have lots of fun.
DIY number 3, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this plaque from Walmart, and I'm gonna take this Waverly chalk paint, and I'm gonna paint the top part, yes, this part only, with that beautiful white chalk paint. Let me just cover it completely like this. And after that, I'm going to take black paint, and I'm going to paint those borders. Let me go all around it like this. And after I have that, I'm going to take this beautiful decal that I made on my Cricut as well. You will find the link to this one in the comments, well, in the description box down below. Let me just transfer this one, and I'm using this transfer tape. Those vinyls, I got them from Amazon, so go and check out my Amazon front store. They're having a sale where you can get 30 days off or free from Prime, so go and check that out because these vinyls are so awesome and they are so inexpensive. So now I'm just gonna stick my decal over here, and after that I'm gonna add the wording. And guess what we're gonna add there? Because some mornings I feel that it is a glorious morning, but it's making me sick. So we're gonna add what a glorious morning makes me sick. And I'm gonna add that wording on the bottom. This decal is complete, and you can find it in the description box down below. Now I'm just gonna remove the backing of that decal that it's taking a while longer than I expected. And now I'm just gonna transfer it over here, and as you can see, yeah, I have a bruise on my arm, and my son has been having a little bit more anxiety that I would love to, but that's healing, and he's healing, and that's the important part. So moving on, I'm gonna finish with this. Make sure that it is stuck there, and here you can see it, and this one is so cute. You can use it for a tier tray. You can use it to decorate on a shelf. It is just perfect. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel. Our last DIY, or DIY number 4, I'm gonna take this box, and it was a cookie box. Yeah, I ate all of them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray paint it, the top and the bottom, using copper spray paint, and I'm gonna paint it completely, including the inside, because we're gonna use this box for remotes and all of that now in Halloween. So now let me just spray paint it, and here you can see another decal. You will find the link to that one as well. And here we have the lid of that beautiful box, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the backing. I'm gonna make sure that I have my decal. I'm gonna take my time because this one, it's a little bit harder because it has a lot of things. And this one again is a Sanderson Sisters Apothecary sign, and I just love it. This box, it's been used for my remotes on Halloween, and I think I'm gonna let it be around my home all year round because I just love it. Now I'm just going to remove the transfer tape like that, being careful because we have lots of details over here. So we just have to be careful, take our time, remove that transfer tape completely, and we will have a beautiful box that you can use to decorate, or you can use it as me to store your remotes or something that you have on your living room. Now, here you can see it, and this one is my favorite, but I just want to know what you think. So let me know what you think about this one in the comments below because, yeah, I'm biased. And here you can see all of them together once more. I'm in love with this set. I just love the Apothecary theme for the Sanderson Sisters, but I want to know what you think. So remember to leave me a comment, and remember that you will find all the links to Craspire so you can go and check them out and check out the offer that they are having. It is a $5 coupon code for your $40 purchase. Go and check them out. I love them, and I know you will love them too. And now you can see that I have my set. You will see more of this beautiful decor in the coming month and months because I want to go to October making more Sanderson and more Halloween Apothecary themed decor. So let me know what you think about that theme in the comments below because I'm going for Apothecary this Halloween.
And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Remember to share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. And also hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't so you can keep an eye out on everything that I will be posting. Let me know what you think about this ones in the comments below. And that's it. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.